Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Asana desktop app on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be up and running with Asana, ready to tackle your tasks and projects right from a dedicated desktop window without all those browser tabs in the way. Let's jump straight in and get you set up. First things first, open up a web browser on your computer. Any browser will do. Head over to asana.com download. Just type that into the address bar and hit enter. This is Asana's official download page, so you can be confident you're getting a safe, up-to-date installer file. The reason we always start here is because downloading software from the official source reduces the risk of running into outdated versions, or worse, sketchy malware. Now, once the download page loads, take a quick look at the options for operating systems. You'll see choices for Mac, Windows 64-bit, and even Windows 64-bit for ARM processors. Make sure to choose the version that matches your computer. For most Windows users, the standard 64-bit option is what you want. But if you're running a newer Windows device with ARM architecture, double-check that you pick the right one. Similarly, Mac users should click the Mac button. Getting this right is important. Choosing the correct version ensures the app runs smoothly and you don't bump into compatibility issues later on. Go ahead and click the download button for your operating system. Depending on your internet speed, the installer file might take a minute or two to download. So this is a good time to grab a coffee or stretch your legs. If you need reassurance, you'll probably see the file start downloading at the bottom of your screen or in your browser's downloads section. For Windows, it'll typically be an .exe file, and for Mac, a DMG. Once the download is finished, open your downloads folder and look for the new Asana installer file. On Windows, double-click the exe file. On Mac, open the DMG and drag the Asana icon to your Applications folder. If you're wondering why you have to do this instead of just clicking, it's simply how the two operating systems handle software installs. Running the installer is what actually puts Asana on your computer and sets everything up behind the scenes. The installation wizard will now pop up and guide you through the rest of the process. You might be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, which is standard for any app. Take a moment to review those, then click Agree. You might also be prompted to choose an installation location. If you're not sure, it's totally fine to stick with the default. The setup will only take a few moments, and you don't need any technical skills for this part. The instructions are straightforward. Once the installer finishes, the Asana desktop app is ready to launch. You'll find it in your Applications folder on Mac, or the Start menu or desktop shortcut on Windows. Go ahead and open the app, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Asana account. After that, you're all set. You've got Asana running right on your desktop, which helps keep your daily workflow organized and free from browser distractions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups along the way. I'm here to help. Be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this, so you never miss out on useful tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.